Today, I will show you how to make images using AI with text prompt for free, so make sure you watch this video till the very end. To generate AI images with text, go to any browser and search for Adobe Firefly. Click here that says Adobe Firefly Generative AI for Everyone. If you don't have an account here, you might need to enter your Gmail ID and sign in. I already have an account, so I am already logged in. On this page, scroll below and you can see the first option that says Text to Image, Generate Images with a detailed text description. Click here on Create with Firefly. You will now see a page where there are AI images made by others, and also there is an option that says Prompt, describe the image you want to generate. Click on it and enter any prompt that you want. I will enter dog playing football as a goalkeeper. After entering the prompt, click here on Generate. As you can see, this AI has generated some really cool images here. On the right hand side there are many other options. By clicking on aspect ratio, you can change the dimensions of the image. You can choose between photo and art to make your image look like one. You can also change the visual intensity, and there are many other options. Just remember that after selecting any option you have to click here again on Generate. Now, our image looks good. I will select this one. If you click here, you can click on Download, but the problem is by using this download button, the image will contain the watermark. I will open the image and here you can see the watermark. So to remove this watermark, go to the image. Right-click anywhere on the empty area and then click on Inspect. You will see something like this. Click here in this corner and place your mouse cursor on image such that only the image is highlighted and click on it. You will see that certain text has also got highlighted here. In this highlighted part, you will see some kind of link. Right-click on this link and select Open in New Tab. Our image will open in a new tab and it does not have any watermark. To download this image without watermark, right-click and select Save Image as and click on Save. I will open the image. You can see that we have successfully downloaded the image without any watermark. Now if you want to know how to make captions like Mr. Beast, then make sure you check out this video. If you like this video, then do drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more such helpful videos. Thanks for watching.